Let's learn how you can rename yourself on Zoom. So we have two methods. First one is you have to rename yourself from your meeting, and second one, you rename yourself on your entire profile. Now first let us open our meeting, and when you go there, you'll just have to right click on your name and click on rename. So now pop-up will appear. You'll have to enter your new name below and just click on blue change app. Now as you can see, our name has been changed. If you want to rename your profile, just go back to your main application, click on your profile, click on your name here and click on my profile. That will lead you to Zoom web browser site. Now here it will appear your profile with your name and everything. You will just have to click on edit, and you can edit your first name, your last name and your display name. When you finish with everything, just click on save and you're done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.